कसा आहेत? आशा आहे की आपण चांगले आहात. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who are new here, my name is Preet Birang. Welcome to my channel. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So I've created this makeup in consideration of Ganesh Chaturthi. So that's why I've paired this look with this beautiful nut which is usually worn by Marathi girls. So the BTS which I shared with you guys, it was all about, guys, the struggle which I had to put that nut. I don't know, it took me forever to put that nut, and I don't know how do you guys do it, but it was so much struggle for me. Like, it took me literally forever. Created this smoky emerald eye look. So yeah, let's just get started and let's see how I created this look. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon, and don't forget to do that, guys. Start with my skincare. So for my skincare today, I'm using a Farsali Gold Beauty Elixir oil. It's one of my favorite products. You guys have been seeing me using it very often. Using a Marc Jacobs Youth Cake as a moisturizer, and then I'm using a Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and then applying it on my face. Now for setting up my skincare, I'm using Farsali Rose Gold Beauty Mist, and I would be just spraying it on my face. I recently bought this little fan from Amazon and it works amazing. Check it out, guys. Now for the foundation, I'm using a Milani Conceive Plus Perfect foundation, which is my all-time favorite foundation. Long lasting, super stay, doesn't move. Foundation is perfect for the festive looks. Concealer, I am taking a CoverGirl concealer, which is again a very amazing concealer. Doesn't move, stays on, long lasting. Must check it out. Now I'm using a Milani banana powder and using a beauty blender. I would be covering my under eyes. For my eyebrows today, I'm taking an eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal Paris. First I would be brushing my eyebrows and then I would be filling my eyebrows. Like I always mention, guys, make sure you don't overdraw your eyebrows, because just in case you overdraw your eyebrows, it looks very weird. So make sure you need to be very careful while filling your eyebrows. Now for the eyeshadow, today I'm taking a Violet Voice Essentials eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a black eyeshadow from this palette, and I will be applying it all over my eyelid. Now why I am applying a black eyeshadow before the color which I want to apply? Because black will help in popping up the color as we are creating a smoky eye look. So this will help in actually popping up your color. And next color I'm using is a Dusty Rose, and I would be applying it just above the black eyeshadow which I applied, and I would be just pushing that color into my crease and just giving a nice transition effect so that my smoky eye doesn't look incomplete. Now the third color which I am using is the showstopper, is this emerald glittery beautiful color, and I would be directly applying it on the area where I just applied the black eyeshadow and covering it my entire lid with this color. Just look at this, how pigmented is this color, looks so beautiful. I am literally in love with this color. After applying this color on my eyelid, I had an idea of making this color more pigmented and more bold. So I used a MAC Prep Plus Prime, sprayed very little bit on my eyeshadow brush, and then using a emerald green color, I started stamping the color on the exact location where I had previously applied emerald color. So this way, what is that it will make your color look more bold, more pigmented, and it will provide more shine to your color. Removing all the extra powder from my face, using a Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline, applying it on both of my eyelashes. It's one of my favorite mascara, stays on forever, long lasting and waterproof. For kajal, I am taking a Huda Beauty kajal in shade black. Again, long lasting product, very amazing. I loved using this product. Now to give more enhancement to my eyes, I am using a pencil brush and just taking a little bit of black eyeshadow, and I would be blending the kajal which I have previously applied to give a little smoky effect. Come on, you're doing a smoky effect, so the blending is required, guys. You just need to blend that color. Now also applying the mascara on my lower lashes to complete my eye makeup. Next I'm taking a L'Oreal contour stick, which is a cream contour stick. Now be careful while using this product if you are ever going to buy this product out, because this product is super pigmented, so you have to be careful. And this always happens to me whenever I'm trying to contour my nose. Dude, it's super pigmented that I always end up drawing a different line. So now using a contour brush, I would be contouring my cheekbones, contouring my jawline. It's kind of long lasting product, but again you have to be very careful while using this product because it's super pigmented, guys. If you overuse this product, you might end up messing your makeup. The blush I'm using Milani Cosmetics Baked Blush, which is in this beautiful peach shade and perfect for my makeup look which I'm doing today. The highlighter which I'm using today is a CoverGirl highlighter, and I just broke my highlighter, guys. This is my favorite product. Like whichever highlighter I buy, I always end up coming back to this highlighter. I recently broke it. Now applying this highlighter and just look at that glow. It's definitely my favorite. Also applying it on my nose bridge and nose tip, also applying it on my eyebrow bones and on the inner corners of my eyes. Now spraying the MAC Prep Plus Prime all over my face to set my makeup, and then again using that recently bought fan so that that spray dries on quickly. Now the lipstick today which I'm using is a Minted Cosmetic lipstick, applying it on my lips. Now while applying, I noticed that this lipstick isn't going well with my makeup, so I switched to Sephora number 84 lip stain lipstick, which is again one of my favorite lipstick, and it went really well with my makeup. So that's my final look, you guys. Just paired up these beautiful earrings and a nut. So nut is from the Suhana Art and Jewels. They have a beautiful jewelry collection. Make sure you guys check out their page. I've shared their page link on the description box, so make sure you check it out. So that's it, you guys. That was my end look. I paired it up with a bindi, and I really love it how this look turned out. So clean, so beautiful. If you're not wearing this look in the Ganesh Chaturthi, you can wear this look for any party, guys. I'm sure you're gonna nail it. So yeah, that's it. That was about the today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. So just in case you guys like this video, make sure you guys share it with your friends. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video. But till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.